Good evening, everyone. This is Pinay in Ontario. Showing you a little clips. We're doing sunset cruise here in Lake of the Woods, Kenora, Ontario. Yan. Sunset cruise lang kami, guys. Sandali. Yan. For all the sunset lovers out there, I hope you guys enjoy these mini clips. There. The water today is very calm and it's nice. It's not too humid, it's not too windy either. It's a beautiful night there. Just cruising along around the area. Maganda yung panahon, maganda yung gabi. Ayan, 8:25 in at night already, but the sun is still out there. A little bit cloudy. I think it's because of the forest fire in Alberta. But that's the sunset. Just cruising along. Nice night. It's nice today. Yeah. Look at the reflection of the sun in the water. Look. It's nice. It's beautiful. Yeah. Look at the sky. Pagdating ng gabi, wala ka na masyadong naririnig na bangka na ano. Ayan. Ano yung buhok ko, oh. I'm so dark already. There's my boss. Thank you guys for always supporting my channel. Pinay in Ontario here.